This video reviews the process of how to create a corrective work order by using a standard work order, also known as a template. Mechanics, machinists, supervisors, leads, controllers, and senior controllers have permission to create a corrective work order. Once logged into N4EAMS, go to the work order screen. On the Record View tab, enter or search for the vehicle number. In the standard work order field, enter or search for either bus pull-in or bus FIY. The system will default a work order description in the work order description field. Enter a new description to further clarify the issue. If bus pull-in has been selected, enter the defect card number in the defect card number field in the lower right-hand side of the screen. Save the record. Select the Activities tab to enter the work order details. Highlight the activity in the grid. In the Notes field, enter a more appropriate description of the issue. Enter the defect and repair codes, system level, assembly level, component level, and repair location. Check the completed checkbox and save the record. To enter an additional activity, click the Add Activity icon in the Activity Details section. Enter a new description. Enter the defect code, repair code, system level, assembly level, component level, and repair location. Check the completed checkbox and save the record. This concludes the review. Thank you for watching.